Testing the hill climb. I think it's going pretty decent. Definitely can't keep up with the hoverboard. So we're gonna have to remove these screws and see what's underneath.
And that below barrel intent is okay. This has done so well at currently by 40.
Alright, let's see. So here's the battery. Here's the battery lead. With the multimeter right here. Okay, so it's 40 volts. I wouldn't say they have a great cable management system. I think it might be a plug, but I need to undo the shrink wrap to do that. That's gonna suck. So this battery pack, you just kind of slice it open, and I'm gonna take it out of this shell. If you peel back the back, there's always this battery management circuit boards in the back of all the batteries. And basically you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and these are the different groups. So that's the group. And if you test the voltage between each group, there's a good chance that one of the group is gonna have low voltage. So this one is 4.1. So assuming everything's at 4.126 volts, so that's 4.1. There you go. There's your dead cell. That's 2.9. And everything else should be 4.1. Okay, 4.1 if you get a good contact. Yeah, so they're all, you probably can't see it here, but it's 4.1. It's 4.1. That's also 4.1. Yeah, 4.1. Okay, so yeah, so this is the dead cell. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to get a battery charger, and we're gonna try to boost this voltage up just by connecting the negative and the positive lead here and just putting it on the charger. All right, I know it's a little ghetto, but you know, it works. It's gonna keep a close eye on. I'm gonna leave it charging, and we'll come back in about an hour. This also has a 2-hour timer, so it won't charge for more than 2 hours. All right, it's only 4.5 minutes in. It's already at 4.2 volts, so that's a good sign. So you definitely want to keep an eye on the temperature. This is actually starting to get kind of hot. All right, so careful not to touch both ends, but we're gonna try to get the voltage reading. All right, that's 3.6. All right, so we're getting up there. We're at 3.6. Battery finally finished charging. Man, that took like all night and what's today? Yeah, like and half a day. Took way longer than I thought, but I'm gonna put this battery back together, put it back in the sleeve, and then I'll organize the cable the best I could. So I'm gonna seal everything back up, and we'll go test ride. Here, testing out the scooter that I just fixed. She's oops, getting away from me there. Oh, there she is. How is it? By the way, I got this hoverboard. I got this hoverboard for $10 at the Goodwill. It's crazy. Oh shit. Hey, let's try going down to the left so you can test out the hill, okay? Man, this hoverboard is so sketchy when you're going fast because it wiggles left and right. It's great that you have so much capability to turn like on a dime. You can literally do, 360 on this thing, but yeah, definitely not meant for going fast. So we're just gonna go test out the hill climb. It's going too fast. I can't keep up. Testing the hill climb. I think it's going pretty decent. Definitely can't keep up with the hoverboard. How is it? You like? It's not turning off, so I guess we fixed it.